students. In today's video lecture we are going to learn about the commercial banks. So commercial bank, first of all we will see the meaning of the commercial bank. Nowadays commercial bank play an important role in providing short-term finance to the companies, industries and business organization. Their working capital requirement can be provided by the commercial banks. In India, it has become primary source of providing short-term working capital, bank credit and trade credit. These banks assist corporate enterprises. In this, number 1 is by granting term loans to the company. Number 2 is by subscribing to shares and debentures of company. And number 3 is by underwriting the issue of securities of the companies. Commercial banks provide different functions and providing loan to business is a primary function. It lends money as under in different ways. There are the 4 types of function we are going to learn. Number 1 is cash loan. Number 2 is overdraft. Number 3 is cash credit. Number 4 is discounting bill of exchange. Number 1 is cash loan. What do you mean by cash loan? In this, total amount is credited by the bank to the borrower's account. Interest is payable on actual balance outstanding. Number 2 is overdraft. If a company having current account with the bank is allowed to overdraft the account by the bank, they can withdraw the funds as and when needed as they are allowed overdraft facility. The bank sanctions a credit limit to the overdraft, the amount on current account. Interest is paid by the borrower on the actual amount overdrawn from the account. Number 3 is cash credit. It is very important function of providing finance to the business organization. Cash credit is given against the pledge or hypothecation of goods and services. On the security margin, the amount of cash credit is sanctioned by the bank and the borrower can withdraw the amount from his current account up to this limit as and when companies need. Interest is charged on the actual amount of outstanding and not the credit limit sanctioned by the bank. Number 4 is discounting of bill of exchange. The drawer, that means seller of the bill, can receive money from drawee, that is buyer, on due date or after the due date. Drawer can receive before due date by discounting the bill with the bank. There is nothing but the selling the bill to the bank. So assignment work for today is write down the meaning and function, 4 functions of commercial bank. Thank you.